Here we go, we're at Tromsø Airport. What you do here is make your way to one of the little kiosks. Press the appropriate airline. I scanned the barcode. Out came the tickets. Then head to baggage drop over there. A nice representative helped us put the tags on because we're incompetent. You put a bag on the conveyor belt. Press your kind of bag right then and there. And then you scan it yourself and off it goes. How easy is that? Next step is upstairs to departures. We are flying Widerøe or Widerøe, however it's pronounced. The 10:15 flight, gate 24 via Svolvær. That's where we're going. Security next. Tromsø has a very nice little airport. Took us no time at all to check in. We've got some really nice looking sandwiches here. Here's our plane. A prop jet. Maybe a de Havilland or a Fokker 100, something like that. Now, you can see the light, but the sun does not rise above the horizon for another 20-30 days. We are in a prop jet. Your small carry-on bags have to go under the seats. They will not fit in the overhead compartments. It is a Dash 8, or I don't know the difference between a Bombardier, a Dash 8, and a Fokker. To me, they're all the same. And that's what we saw last night, but not quite like that. We fly from Tromsø, makes a stop in Andenes, to Svolvær, and then the plane continues down to Bodo.
Lasten skal ikke blåses opp før vi skal forlate fly. Nødutgangen på midten og framme I kabinen alle merket med exit-skilt.
It's a 20-minute flight to the first stop, Andenes. Just so you know. The flight attendant told me that the runway in Svolvær is 900 meters long, and the dash that we're on, the equipment, is the largest piece of equipment that can land there. Very, very small, short runway. Can you see here? The sun is above the horizon, and we're not that much further south, an hour south of Tromsø.
color living in Propan area. Is it thank you, goodbye. Hope to see you on board.